Yes, you guys, so I finally got my coat from Fashion Nova. It just came, and let me tell you something. The coat is coating, the fur is furring. And this is it from the back. It's very long. It covers, this is a 3X. Yes, your girl lost weight, but I'm still gonna size up because I just don't want nothing. I like my stuff to fit oversized. If I want to wear a hoodie under this, I could. So it has like these 2 hooks, which I don't plan on closing it, but it has these 2 hooks that hook, and it'll be like this. But this is giving rich auntie. I love it. I said all I need is my New York Yankee fitted, and I don't know what fit I would wear with this. Maybe navy blue or black. I don't know. Haven't figured it out yet. But I have one in a bubblegum pink also. So, but yeah, this is it. And I love it. It feels so good. It feels so good. Once you reach your 30s, let me see, over 35, you are now auntie, okay? All right. I'll put the link in my description and go get you one. Go get you one before it sells out. This is a royal blue fur, and it is so soft. It's so nice. I love it. Go get you one.